Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept, it's the engine driving one of the most explosive stock market rallies in modern history. This is a seismic shift reshaping industries and creating unprecedented wealth, a technological revolution on par with the dawn of the internet. At the heart of this frenzy stands one undisputed champion, Nvidia. Their cutting-edge GPUs have become the essential picks and shovels in this digital gold rush. Their stock performance has been breathtaking, cementing their place as a tech titan and a portfolio maker for early investors. But as Nvidia's valuation soars into the trillions, a critical question emerges. Is the biggest growth story already priced in? What if I told you that the AI ecosystem is far larger than just one company? That there are other pivotal players operating just outside the brightest spotlights who are poised for their own monumental growth and trading at far more attractive prices? In this video, we're pulling back the curtain on 3 such companies. We'll explore a fierce competitor building rival hardware, an indispensable European giant with a monopoly on a critical technology, and a global tech leader embedding AI into services used by billions. Stick with us as we break down why these hidden titans of AI could be the smartest buys for your portfolio right now. Let's start with our first contender, Advanced Micro Devices, ticker AMD. In the world of AI chips, Nvidia's name is king, the titan whose dominance has reshaped the market. But in the shadows of this giant, AMD is forging a new path. This seasoned veteran of the semiconductor wars isn't just entering the AI arena, it's aiming to redefine the terms of engagement by offering a smarter, more efficient alternative for the future of AI. AMD is mounting a challenge that investors cannot ignore. Their new Instinct MI300X chip is an engineering marvel, designed to produce up to 40% more AI tokens per dollar than Nvidia's comparable chip. For the tech giants building massive AI models, this isn't a minor improvement. It's a game-changing economic advantage that can drastically lower the cost of innovation, making powerful AI more accessible and affordable for everyone. And the industry's biggest players are taking notice. AMD's CEO Lisa Su revealed that 7 of the world's top 10 AI builders, including giants like Microsoft and Meta, are already using AMD's Instinct chips. This strategic shift isn't just about saving money, it's about creating a more competitive and resilient market. These companies need a viable second source to drive down prices and secure their supply chains, and AMD is perfectly positioned. This brings us to the investment case. Despite this incredible momentum, AMD trades at a price-to-sales ratio of around 10. In stark contrast, Nvidia trades at nearly 3 times that multiple. This significant valuation gap suggests Wall Street may be underestimating AMD's potential to capture a meaningful slice of the booming AI market, presenting a compelling opportunity for investors looking for growth without paying a sky-high premium. Our second company is a name you might not know, but it's the hidden linchpin of the entire semiconductor industry. ASML Holding. They build the most complex machines on Earth, extreme ultraviolet or EUV lithography systems. These are essentially hyper-advanced projectors, using light to etch unimaginably small patterns onto silicon wafers. These patterns become the billions of transistors that form the brains of every advanced AI chip, with features just a few nanometers wide. And here's the incredible part. ASML is the company in the world capable of producing these EUV machines. It's an absolute monopoly. Competitors tried for decades and failed to master this technology, while ASML poured billions into R&D, coordinating a global network of suppliers to perfect it. This creates one of the widest competitive moats in modern business. If you want to make the most advanced chips, you have no choice but to buy from ASML. So with such a dominant position, why the recent dip? The stock has pulled back significantly from its highs, primarily due to geopolitical uncertainty. Specifically, US-led restrictions on selling these advanced machines to China have created headwinds and spooked some investors, who fear these trade tensions could limit future growth. However, this short-term fear may be creating a long-term opportunity. The titans of the industry, TSMC, Samsung, and Intel, have multi-year roadmaps entirely dependent on ASML's machines. The future of AI relies on the chips that only ASML's technology can produce. Their order backlog is massive, and demand isn't slowing down, making ASML the ultimate gatekeeper to the future of technology. Finally, let's talk about Alphabet, ticker Goog. Some investors worry that Google's search dominance could be threatened by AI chatbots. But Google search revenue grew 12% year over year. Google Cloud jumped 32%, And Waymo is expanding across the US, despite being near all-time highs. Alphabet trades at a PE ratio under 22, with nearly 15% projected annual earnings growth. So let's wrap it up. AMD, the underdog challenger. ASML, the monopoly supplier. Alphabet, the diversified AI giant. Each represents a different layer of the AI revolution. Which of these stocks would you add to your portfolio? Drop a comment below. If you found this helpful, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more investing content. Thanks for watching.